With the recession on the cards as a result of the pandemic, the meager pay people receive from working 24/7 is barely enough to sustain anyone anymore. Especially with inflation, things are much harder than expected, with the global market still reeling from the negative effects of the pandemic. Despite this, a new class of rich individuals have risen out of this scenario. You wonder what they did differently. The pandemic derailed the career of so many people who had set very high financial goals. Many either got laid off or furloughed, and a lot of people were left spending their savings to scrape off what was left of their lives as the year progressed. However, the highlight of the recession is reflected in the success of people who chose to involve themselves in activities that yielded passive income for them. Passive income refers to money made on the side aside from the one earned from your main job. There are so many ways to earn passive income, but what generally sums them all up is an investment. A passive income is not meant to replace your real job, but it functions to help cover up and meet certain needs that you would normally be incapable of meeting while waiting on your normal wages. Passive income usually does not measure up to be anything major, but is just enough to help settle expenses or pay for minor bills. There are so many things that people indulge in to earn passive income. These things on a normal day would not be fit to be tagged as a form of career or a regular job. But as things often turn out, they can turn into a big deal for those who are invested in it. Make no mistake, a source of passive income may not be seen as a part-time job per se. You don't even have to be involved in it at all. All you have to do is invest and start earning a return on that investment. As it turned out last year, passive income has turned out to be the major break that people need to improve their financial standards. Recessions are not so much of a shutout if you know where to look. There are so many options to consider when you're looking to dig your way out of the lurch of a financial crisis. Lessons learned have shown that people can still be rich even in this period. Cryptocurrencies are the highlight of this revelation. Yes, there are so many opportunities that the cryptocurrency industry affords us. There's been a recent influx of players in the cryptocurrency market as investors and as traders. It comes out that a lot of people have been advised to invest their funds, and crypto is a great way to do that and to earn massively on your investment. However, not everyone fully understands the scope of crypto as a standard and measure of value, and what it entails as well as how to earn from it. But since 2013, the cryptocurrency market has experienced immense growth. It can get complicated, but that's what this video is about. Watch through to the end of this video to learn what type of cryptocurrencies can make you rich in this recession. If it's your first time here, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. 2017 was the benchmark year that crypto made it. The market cap of cryptocurrencies grew by 4,000%. The market cap of all cryptocurrencies was around $21 billion in March of 2017, whereas now it's over $454 billion. Cryptocurrencies are almost always designed to be free from government manipulation and control. Although as they've grown more popular, this foundational aspect of the industry has come under fire. Yet the industry still stands tall as its components keep making waves in the global market, surprising all of us. Before you dive into cryptocurrencies in a bid to make millions, there are a few things you should know. First, to minimize loss, you should invest in more than one cryptocurrency. That is, never invest money in just one asset. Proverbially, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's a mistake common to new traders and investors. You would never see experts of the cryptocurrency having only one crypto in their portfolio. Many people make this mistake repeatedly and tend to lose all their money all at once. Diversify your investment portfolio. Invest in more than one cryptocurrency. At least one of the chosen cryptocurrencies will bring profits, and you'll be able to minimize losses. There are more than 1,000 types of cryptocurrencies in the world today. They're often called tokens as well, and each type has its peculiar trait, depending on which needs it's trying to meet. The most inherent need in this case is to get rich. Many of those tokens and coins enjoy immense popularity among a dedicated community of backers and investors. 1. Bitcoin. Many cryptocurrencies can make you rich in this recession, but Bitcoin stands out from the rest of the pack. Bitcoin is widely seen as a pioneer in the world of cryptocurrencies, while other cryptocurrencies merely queue behind it. It is a fact, as it has the highest value as well as the largest market capitalization in the crypto industry. Being the first of its kind, it's also the most successful cryptocurrency with a minimum amount of 14 million Bitcoin in circulation out of a total possible 21 million Bitcoin. Reputed as the alpha male of the industry, it has earned its keep in it. Bitcoin has hit the ground running since its inception after first struggling with the low rate of adoption. It's now pretty much the most used crypto in the market. It's hailed as probably the most volatile of the coins of the crypto industry, especially with its surging runs and then its heartbreaking halving that could bring tears to your eyes. Nonetheless, it remains the best chance anyone's got to making it big in the crypto industry. The price of Bitcoin has seen an enormous rise in recent years, and it's currently enjoying a run from all-time high to all-time high. It first started breaking its luck in 2019 when bad times fell upon it. The coin was at a low price of $5,000 as it entered the year 2020. It met the resistance of the pandemic, which caused the coronavirus crash of all cryptocurrencies early in the year. This came at a time when people had high hopes for Bitcoin to reach a previous high of $20,000, which it attained once between 2017 and 2018. The anticipation of the rise caused people like you and me to buy into the dip of Bitcoin, and then their hopes paid off when the coin rose significantly by about $3,000 to hit $8,000. Where it had a short pullback to $6,000 before hitting $10,000. The coin's price consolidated at that range, switching back and forth. This ultimately kept the investors hoping for a dramatic twist to the fortunes of the coin. Their initial hopes had paid off, and nothing is stopping it from rising again. Many investors have a large holding of the coin, and it was welcome news when it reached a whopping $18,000, which was only $2,000 short of its major all-time high recorded in 2017. The end of 2020 saw Bitcoin hit that mark and surge past it, rounding up the year at an all-time high of about $25,000. It was a marvelous thing, and it still continues into January of 2021, and has made even more millionaires out of people who invested in it. The price has risen to $40,000 in a matter of days, and that's 100% increase from its previous high of 2017. We're yet to see just how high it's going to rise. But one thing is for sure, for every surge in the price of Bitcoin, a new millionaire is born. 2. Ethereum. Aside from Bitcoin, other cryptos are popularly known as alternative coins or altcoins for short. Ethereum, also referred to as Ether, is the first coin known after Bitcoin. It runs on a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized apps to be built and run. Ethereum is the name of the software on which it runs, while Ether is the cryptocurrency itself. They're often mistaken for each other. Ether was used mostly by developers looking to develop and run applications inside Ethereum, or now by investors looking to make purchases of other digital currencies using Ether. It started as a payment system, with Ether being used to facilitate the transactions. It's currently the second largest digital currency by market cap after Bitcoin. The gap between the value of Ethereum and Bitcoin is exceedingly large. Though it is way beyond the price of Bitcoin, it is in a class of its own compared to other altcoins. The price of Ethereum started from the ground up, and it's experienced a major surge similar to that of Bitcoin in 2017, as it hit an all-time high of about $1,000, a price that it had not attained until 2021. 2021 hasn't just benefited Bitcoin alone. The price of Ethereum has almost tripled after it rose from about $550 close to $1,200. The price hasn't changed much since then, although it did leave a lot of people rueing their inability to foresee this rise following Bitcoin's surge. However, those that prepped for this eventuality have earned millions off the coin by buying while it was low. And now they're holding much more valuable Ethereum in their portfolio. Talk about a fairy tale trek into wealthiness. 3. XRP. This coin is said to be the fastest growing cryptocurrency, and in terms of potential, it's one of the best bets for actually earning millions in this recession. The coin is an active component adopted by RippleNet, a payment system run by Ripple Labs. It's known to be the next big thing in the financial world, following its growing rate of adoption and investor interest. However, its growth was recently stalled by a case with a lawsuit. Although it has proven to be no cause for alarm, as the price of the coin actually grew by nothing less than 50% of its initial price, from 22 cents to 33 cents before settling at 30 cents. The coin wasn't left out of the recent good luck shared by cryptos such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It remains one of the most promising cryptos in the world right now. There are a host of other altcoins that you can profit from, either via buying and holding, investment, or trading. They include Chainlink, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, among others. To learn more about them, watch out for more videos on this channel pointing out to how you can make millions off the crypto industry. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Would you like to know more about cryptocurrencies on this channel? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.